Okay, hear me out. What if I went blonde? I'm having my quarter life crisis and I want to change my hair, but I feel like red is my final form and I kind of don't want to bleach it. All I'm gonna say is I got a new one. This is an ashy blonde lace front. It smells really nice. I have to stop smelling random things. Anyway, we're gonna install it right now. I feel like I didn't do wigs in a moment, so this is gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. I've done this a million times and explained it, but first I always braid my hair. Now I have extensions, so I feel like it's gonna be harder. Also, before I braid it, I always use some kind of oils on my hair to make it softer. Okay, now we are here. The braids actually need to be done a lot better and your head needs to be a lot flatter, but I am a lazy and most of all untalented for braids. After this, I'm gonna use some gel, just removing all my hair so it doesn't get sticky. Disclaimer, I am not a wig professional, obviously. I just do what I think is gonna work and I hope for the best, you know? Keeping a positive attitude. I just enjoy foam so much. I pretty much got it as sleek as I could. And now that we are giving the French Renaissance vibes, I think I'm not gonna be gluing on the cap because I'm gonna be going to the gym later. Let's go. Jesus, I feel like I'm being reborn. Either my head is really big or this cap is really small. I'm gonna make myself believe the cap is really small. We love it. Now, they said this one doesn't need gluing down, but I think I'm actually gonna glue it down. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see. It looks like this. I honestly never had a wig with this. I don't know what it is. It looks like a little bra strap. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Let's go. Okay, this is how it looks before I cut the lace or anything. It comes pre-plucked and the knots are bleached. Can't really tell before I cut the lace how it's gonna look. Okay, I moved my cap back a little bit and now I'm gonna get in with the glue, but I'm so unprofessional. Definitely don't be like me and use a spatula or something. It's dry and now we can cut it. Okay, so this is me blonde. Honestly, before I put on my makeup, I can't really tell what I think about it, but I think it looks decent. I'm gonna go put on my makeup and style it. I'm gonna be back with a transition. See ya super soon.